solar companies, I'm Renee from EnergyBin. Today, I'm here to give you tip number 3 from our series, 10 Tips for Selling Wholesale Solar Equipment. How do you connect to new buyers? To ensure your pipeline for new business never dries up, pay attention to tip number 3. Here it is. Join an online B2B exchange to find new pre-qualified buyers. On a trusted exchange, like EnergyBin, solar professionals come together to buy and sell new, used, refurbished, and replacement solar components. Members offer secondary market solutions for repair, resale, and recycling to keep solar material out of landfills and to advance solar energy throughout the world. There are a number of exchanges and marketplaces on the internet that allow sellers to post inventory. Many are B2C retail markets. Some are free to join, but charge transaction fees. Others are subscription-based. Some are open to anyone, while others, like EnergyBin, are exclusive to registered solar companies who meet member qualifications and follow safe trading practices. I believe the top advantage of joining a B2B exchange is your ability to network with buyers who are located throughout the world. Whether you want to enter new markets or expand your global reach, a membership to an exchange is an affordable way to build relationships with buyers outside your geographic region. When you join an exchange, you become part of an online business community. Think of it like your local chamber of commerce. The exchange community is comprised of your peers in the solar industry who deal in solar equipment. Therefore, they have a direct interest in networking with other dealers. If you'd like to learn more about EnergyBin, request a demo on our website. We'll be happy to give you an insider's tour. That's our tip for today. Join an online B2B exchange to find new pre-qualified leads. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tips for selling wholesale solar equipment.